How to use history brush feature on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to click on the any brush tool. Let's say this brush tool, because I'm going to make something over here, and let's say I'm going to do this brushing over here so that this area is not visible. Now I'm going to go to the history brush tool. So this is the history brush tool, so I'm going to the history brush tool, and then I'm going to apply this again. So this will do is that this will revert my picture back to the original picture. Let's say I have done anything else to this whole picture, so it will revert it back to this original space. So let's say as I'm doing this, it is reverting this piece where it is going to its original shape. So if you are doing this on the same layer, it will work, but if you are doing it on a multiple layer, it will not work. So you have to select the layer and do anything on that layer in order to make this work. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.